to make a long clock in my little alchemy. We need clock plus sound. Okay, first we need earth plus fire equals lava. Air plus lava equals stone. Then we combine with air to make sand. Next, make glass, which is fire plus sand, and then combine that. We'll need the hourglass, but we do need the time. And we gotta make screen. If you didn't watch my last video, so you need to combine fire plus stone. I'm thinking we have to do it. Let's do that. Okay, combine that with earth plus water, and then combine with air. We get stone, and then combine. Okay, so combine fire plus stone equals metal. Then get air plus fire equals energy, and metal plus energy equals electricity. And combine of time, we get a clock. Next, we need to make okay, let's do water plus water equals C. And earth plus earth equals pressure. And air plus pressure equals, we don't need atmosphere, but we do need and next we need wind, and then combine that with sea, and then we get wave. Then combine air plus wave equals sound, and combine sound plus clock equals alarm clock. That's it!